This is my significant other. คนนี้แฟนผมครับ Take a look at these tones. คน first word คน no tone, right? คน so it means it's flat. It means it's your normal voice. นี่ falling tone. คนนี้แฟน no tone, it's flat. It means it's your normal voice. แฟนผม has a rising tone, and ครับ high tone. So if you were saying this as a female, you wouldn't say คนนี้แฟนผมครับ You'd say คนนี้แฟนฉันค่ะ right? Because you're going to, as a woman, you're going to change this word, and as a woman, you're going to change this word. Very nice. Very nice and not very complicated at all.
คนนี้แฟนฉันคนนี้แฟนฉันคนนี้แฟนฉัน
คนนี้แฟนผมคนนี้แฟนผมคนนี้แฟนผม
Looking at this word for word, kon, flat tone, short word, kon, means person or people. It's also a classifier when you're numbering people. Okay, we've had conversations about classifiers, and if you've got several people, you would say, I have this many cones, this many people. Now, ni means this and these. You can also say this with a high tone, which koni, meaning this person, or koni, this person, or these. I believe that the Thai folks just said koni with high tones. We'll listen to that again. Fan means girlfriend, boyfriend, spouse, partner, or a fan or a supporter. So it covers all those things. Pom and chan, as you are well aware, mean I and me, and they mean it for male and female respectively. And then kap and ka, polite particles. So repeat after me. คนนี้แฟนผมครับคนนี้แฟนผมครับคนนี้แฟนผมครับคนนี้แฟนผมครับคนนี้แฟนผมครับคนนี้แฟนผมครับ And of course, if you're a female, you're changing the pom and the krap to the chan and the ka.
คนนี้แฟนผมคนนี้แฟนผมคนนี้แฟนผม
คนนี้แฟนฉันคนนี้แฟนฉันคนนี้แฟนฉันคนนี้แฟนฉันคนนี้แฟนฉัน
The lesson you just learned is one small part of a complete lesson, and you can get a lot of free freebies at my site, thetailanguage.com. thetailanguage.com